Okay, guys, we are live. I'm sharing the screen and I'll show you some Manus related stuff again. I would like to. And so, this is the Manus group, beta group. Actually, here you can check out that. This I just sent hi. And you need to share your cases. Here I am going to. Share your cases. So I can. I have two questions. Are bonus credits renewable after every month? After every month, three credits. Bonus three introductory credits. It is renewable on every month. Or introductory. Uh, okay, what I did. What did happen? Introductory credits. Okay, sure. Let's see. And I would like to share my cases here. Okay, so check out latest update. You can always check and the latest practices. They have in their group actually. So I'm going to. Okay, that's context limitations. Welcome. Hi. Somebody is to say something. Feel free to okay. So I can do anything and anything like about my research. John community. Welcome to Monos. Do about announcements. So this is the thing you can do, and yeah, sure. This is the distributed. Okay, this is the coin chart on here. So where was that? Hmm. So I have showed you earlier, and the thing I wanted to tell you, you can rename all these scripts. Okay. So it is the race of AGI. There are lots and lots of available uh, available what's the I say that available now agents you can find there. When you go like create the new task, it will find the agents. Research on AI products or clothing industry or supply sourcing. Like if you want to like sell some course and like you can get robotics related things, anything you can data analyze and decide on them that what needs to be done. Data analysis is the way to move forward actually. So data analysis you can do any type of data analysis for analysis tool strategies. If there are some inbuilt template available, then you are viewing completed. Okay, to results. It's a marketing strategies to boost sales in Chicago. Yes, suppose. Then you can check if what are the like you can go through the data of many public data. I will show you some public sites from where you can get some taxation related data or something, um, some private company data. From there, you can search for just like I have searched earlier various grant related information inside Google AI Gemini. So that I had shared in the LinkedIn group, LinkedIn profile. You can go and check out on my LinkedIn profile. Probably that is got featured also on my profile. So what are the things? What are the things it is doing? Actually, it's Chicago Loop demography. It's based on demography, racial and ethnic diversity, geographical definitions, surrounding areas. So based on this, you are deciding on your decision making. So data analysis lets you decide actually. So when you want to decide something, you need to do some data analysis. For that, you need some data. So data makes things better. What I can say, data makes things better. I'll create some physical chip also. I am searching for that actually. Let's see if we are finding some chip design related. Okay, productivity. Okay, why? So 1 second. Okay, so productivity. Yeah, my screen was like unsaid actually suddenly. So if you want to find productivity related yeah, productivity related templates find potential customers can be detected on sales statement review verification. If you can verify financial statements. Let's see how it works actually. Uh, what are the steps it is taking actually? It's supporting files. There is a mosquito. Yes, they can learn actually. Examining financial statements, knowledge recalls HR task. It is recalled for financial statements and supporting work papers review. So examine the financial statements and starting to supporting workplaces for review. Understand the structure and content and my you can do your MBA related research also. You can do your like anything if you are a simple literate any age. There is age no restriction. Anybody anytime if they understand the things they can research on it and if they have the data provided and they can create the data. They can get synthetic data. They can create like there are lots of data are there today available. So based on that data they create that data using various sensors and digital devices like mobile. It's better to purchase some kind of sensors like if you want to be ahead in the AI AGIS, sensors are going to be everything. It senses real world and it actually creates in 3D those real worlds. So sense means like the Ponchandrio. Mm. So the what are the Ponchandrios means five senses. Uh, those seeing, touching, seeing means audio video that is already there. Various temperature sensors are there, sound sensors are there, G sensors are there. Time sensors means you need to use some atomic clocks. So time sensors are there. So when you are going to create some data in this way, that data does not even require any blockchain or Bitcoin. That will be some unhackable network because you are connecting them with GPS and the machine ID and the and the timing of the atomic clock. So it's never be possible to change if it is once it is inside the like stack. So they have their stack. Based on the stack, the stacks are never going to be changed, or you cannot just bring out a file, change it, and again place it in some other place. That's not possible in that chain because that chain is by default locked by that specific code with device ID, with location, and with clock timestamp. So that is kind of unhackable network. It is very interesting and very easy. You don't need any kind of encryption. So AGI does not need any kind of encryption related processings. They need only better data, better logic, and better LLMs if required. Even these things are not required. If you can create logics in ML and you can run them on your local system and you can get the data. So for these things, if you are really not interested, uh, because if you are going to change these steps, you need to go for some Jupyter notebook or something. So it is what it is executing. It's pandas. It is some writing some Excel file, and then it is reading from there actually. So what it is doing, it is examining expense supporting files, Excel sheets, and based on there, it is showing supporting work papers, and it's simple Python, and here uh, s- uh, they are actually getting the work papers and sheet names, expense details, department budget or vendor payments. They are support checking these sheets and executing these sales scripts actually using Python, nothing else. So there is no Jupyter here actually. So files. So what are they using here? They are using some kind of getting file, editing file. So what is there? This is UMD. Okay, fine. And they have key findings. These things they have found. So these are the monthly expense, vendor comparison, budget comparison, and financial review. And you can do some managerial tasks here. Prepare summaries findings for users. Completed the financial review by summarizing findings. Okay. So, what is the files? Where are the files here? New all files. Okay, code list. Links are provided. Any links? No code files. Okay, images, documents. It actually goes just linguistic, nothing else. You can download those files and you can get those formats from here and just fill with your data. No problem. You can download these files and you can like fill this data. This data you can fill. You can edit by downloading and again uploading them. You can download, you can edit, and you can do like this. Okay, so what is this? Oh, this is the CSV file code. So you can change here. Like suppose I want to delete it. Cannot edit read only edited. Okay, so it's preview mode. Okay, so if I am the owner, I can like do something and do some changes and okay, and these are the things: budget comparison, financial review. This is very less number of in your data. Anyway, you can it's sufficient for any small business. So Yeah, closing this. So this is the thing. I am searching for a coder for printing, screening RL engineers. What are RL engineers here? Uh, Reinforcement learning. So you can create to hire an okay. Final PDFs. Here's deciding based on actually they have created some decision filtering of resumes. You can check and you can get to know the hiring details how they are hiring. So there are lots and lots of to learn, and you can learn anything and everything. Okay, so in this means tidbits you don't need to means if you only need to, means if you are an HR business then you can, these are already in back end they are doing. So all the resumes they are already means analyzing in their back end, and so the thing is that even if it is recommended, they are going to decide over that. So it's not that the AI is going to take the decisions, but if AI is going to take the decisions, things will be fine. But the thing is that there will be no work, no job, nothing after AI. And, like it's you are just going to learn if you want to learn. Okay, so they have NVIDIA experience with GPU accelerated RL, safety constraint RL, Microsoft AI, Samuel Johnson. Okay, so yeah, if suppose I want to get this file, original diff they are going to. Okay, so from here, open by Excel, finalize Excel files, Excel path, load workbook, insert rows. They are actually creating the PDF files and putting it into a sample folder, or like what was that Excel workbook, and from that workbook they are getting all the info, and like you can do it Excel, why you should know? Anyway, they had running they are running the Excel. Means, do you know that currently you can run Excel on Microsoft XP, so like it's better. You can do without this, you can run these things on your Excel, copy them, just copy them and run them in the Excel. What it is doing, Hexstamp. Come on. This is a file actually, while finalizing need to fix the script properly to handle column names. This is the thing where a lot of intelligence related algorithm is written, and that file is completely deleted anyway. uh, they are just searching for particular keywords, as much as I can guess actually expert. That's what anyway, it's a really good but analyzing how it is analyzing resumes. So what are the logic they are going to implement in this analysis? Resume analysis. Okay, there is some file analysis RL expertise score is 5. Key achievement analysis. Okay, Q learning progress. Q learning on LLM. Okay, anyway, so they are analyzing this only. So anyway, it's great if you are interested, anybody. This is the thing I wanted to share as of now. And okay, bye for now. See you later.